Wait, guys, see this. 6.45 US dollars per download of an image. Is it really possible? Yes, you can see this, guys. People all over the world, how they are earning this much amount of money, guys, per download. One download, $4.95. Do you want to earn this much amount of money passively? Watch this video till the end and I'll show you by just uploading images. You can also earn from this reputed website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your photos and participate on various kind of challenges. And guys, you are getting paid a good amount of money on this platform. Okay, for this, guys, what you can do is to I just need to first show you the payout details, okay, because lots and lots of people are asking me a question that says please show us a payment proof. Okay, so for this, guys, I just need to sign up as a creator, and you can see this, guys. This is a creator platform, and you can see, and for creators, guys, I just need to show you. You can see this. This is a community. Okay, so become a creator and sell your. You can see this. Sell your stock photos and complete the challenges. Okay, so you can do that thing as well. Now you can see this, guys. What is a payout rate? Okay, you can see this creator.payout. Okay, I just need to show you guys. You can see this. So guys, if your challenge is selected, okay, one way of income is you can participate on challenges. 100% is your income. Okay, whatever the prize money is. Other way is you can sell your own photos to the companies who are having the subscription of this on this website. Okay, and you can see this, guys, per download. You can see this, guys, per download at least $6.4, guys, from one photo. $6.45. Okay, you can see this, $3.98 per download. See this. Okay, based upon the company's subscription, you can see you are getting paid for that per photo, guys. You can see. So it's a best platform, guys, where you can contribute your efforts, your skills, and I'll show you how to increase your income. Okay, guys, if you do not have any photographs, guys, you are traveling a lot, okay, and you are having your own personal photographs as well. Okay, so you can share your family photographs on this platform. You can share your friends' photograph over this platform, okay, by taking their permission. Okay, you can sell your photos. Okay, so for this, guys, what you need to do, just come up here and you can see this. You just need to click on this join community. Okay, so you can see this, guys, sign up using email. Okay, and you just need to fill up your credentials. So I just quickly do it. Okay, so I just quickly enter my details. Okay, my password. Okay, I am a creator, and choose your style, guys. Okay, what type of challenge you can perform. Okay, let us suppose animals. Okay, animals and agriculture, beauty, okay, celebrations, and education. Okay, so these are certain niches that you can give. I'm not a robot, and agree to the terms and conditions, and just click on this sign up account. You can see this, guys. Please check your email ID and confirm your account. Okay, so I just quickly do it. So you can see this, guys, this is my confirmation. You can see this, and it will redirected you to the activation link. Now I just need to enter my mail ID, okay, and my password. Okay, I'm not a robot, and click on this sign in button. So you can see this, guys. This is a platform. You can see this. Whatever country you are belonging to, just click on this accept. Okay. And what you need to do, just go to your profile. Okay. So guys, you just need to set up, or you can see this, guys, fill up your details. Okay, you can give your location. Okay, and just give your photograph. Okay, over this platform you just need to enter your photograph, and guys, you just need to tell them about yourself. Okay, that I am a professional. Okay, you can say that I am a professional graphic designer. Okay, you can give this description. Don't worry, guys, they are not checking it, but you can give. Okay, so you just need to click on this save button. Okay, just click on this save button, and now what we need to do, guys, is to find some of the challenges. Okay, you can see your account is ready, guys. Now you need to upload some shorts. Okay, what are the shorts, guys? Okay, so you just need to create a portfolio, so that, guys, your portfolio is live. Okay, I have not set up my profile ID, guys, because I want you guys to do it. Okay, just edit your profile. Okay, guys, what you need to do is to upload your shorts. Okay, so I just show you a demo. Okay, I just show you a demo, guys. What you can do is to come up here in this pixabay.com. Okay, and you can set up here photographs. Okay, and depends upon your niche. Okay, as I have selected animals. Okay, you just need to type animals and press enter. You can see this, guys. These are beautiful pictures which will help you to generate, because, guys, over this platform you can just need to search it, create a content, because on this platform there are millions and millions of photographs. So we want our portfolio to be rejuvenized. Okay, you cannot take whole lot of animals photograph. Okay, but you can create best out of it. Okay, out of these millions of photographs you can set up your portfolio for this. Okay, so based upon some of the photographs, okay, let me just show you a simple thing. Okay, let us suppose I can download, let me just take an example. Okay, guys, let me take this example. Okay, I just need to upload it. Okay, you can see this, I just need to upload it. You can see it's of 3 MB. So here you can see this, guys, 100k plus, or we can say that millions and millions. So you just need to click on this one of these images, and you can see this, guys, you can see this free download. Okay, you can do it, you can download it as per your size. You just need to download it. Okay, you can see this, guys, it will automatically download it. You can see this. Okay, and you can upload this thing on your portfolio. Okay, just like this, you can see it has automatically uploaded all the details. You can see this, guys. Okay, see this. So I have you can see this successfully did it. So you can give a tag, guys, just health. Okay, health. Okay, health and beauty, health and medicine, fitness, and that's it. Okay, you can give description about this photograph: healthy, okay, food. This is a thing. You can see this is my media and I have the rights to sell it, because, guys, on Pixabay you can see this free for commercial use. Okay, so you can give this attribute. Any recognizable people or property is in this shot. Okay, you can see no. So what you need to do, guys, just need to click on this submit photos. Okay, you can see this submit photos, and you can see that, guys, your photo is in processing. So, okay, so it will take 1 or 2 days to do the processing, and you can give multiple uploads. Okay, So now what I need to do is to just see the challenges. Okay, you can see this. I just want to perform some challenges, and you can see this, guys. People are actually performing well in these challenges. You can see this, guys. If you are getting paid, you can see this, ghost and gals. Okay, sweeter weather. So these are the specific niches topic. You can see this, the prize money they will offer you if your photos are getting selected on this platform. Okay, you are getting paid this much amount of money, and this platform will not take even a single penny from you. Okay, directly into your bank account it will get transferred. Okay, so you can see this, guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of you can see this pumpkin spice season, so you can perform these challenge. Okay, so let me just click on this one of these challenges. You can see this, guys. You can see you just need to read these kind of, you can see it's a season to get cozy. This challenge is all about the fall cozy vibes. Okay, so based upon this niche, you just need to search. Okay, you just need to search here on this platform your own photographs. Okay, so this is where your things are coming up into play. Okay, your things. You can see this, guys, how people are actually click other things. You can get an idea, okay, out of this website, that how people are actually gave their portfolio. Okay, depends upon this. So they just want coffee. Okay, so you can give coffee. You can see this, there is some coffee. Okay, some coffee. So you just copy this and set, let me just show you. Okay, coffee. Okay, you can see this, guys. You can give this picture. Okay, you can give any picture that you want. Okay, and luckily if your photo is getting selected on over this platform, you are getting paid for that. Okay, you can see this, guys, creative brief. Okay, creative brief. So this is creative brief. Okay, so you can see this, submit a shot, and you can do to, you can see this, guys, upload new image. Okay, and you just need to give any one of these. Okay, any one of these. Let me just give this thing. Okay, you can see, let me just download it and show you how to submit it. Okay, you can see, just need to set up this. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, just click on this upload button, and you can see this, guys, within few seconds it is getting uploaded. Okay, guys, your image must be shot at least 800 pixel. Okay, so it should be 800 pixels. So let me just see. I guess this image is good. Okay, this image is good. So wait a second, just see this capture and just click on this download. Let me just see. Yes, now it is successfully did the download part. Now I can upload it. Okay, so what is the name? It's 20. Okay, just see. Yes, it is downloading. Okay, so based upon the size, guys, pixels intensity and the size, so it will do the rest of the part. You can see, do the uploading part. Okay, environment any. Okay, lightning any. Next. Okay, gave keywords, coffee. Okay, men. Okay, and you can see another coffee, beans, fun, and people. Okay, you can select your own tags, guys. Okay, coffee challenge. Okay, you can give this no, and just click on this submit photo. And you can see this, guys, I have already submitted my photograph. So it's a good way to do it, guys. Okay, your photo is in processing. So if your processing is successful, and you will become one of those. Okay, you can see this, guys, these are certain description that you need to follow. Okay, so based upon that thing you just need to create. So there are two ways to earning on this platform. One way is to see the marketplace. Okay, to see the marketplace, eventually, guys, what people will do is to find you. Okay, because here the traffic is less. Okay, so the companies who have who did their subscription over this website, if they do the download part, okay, you are getting paid for that. I just shown you. You can see this. There are two ways. One way is 100% income to you. It will getting paid, and 50% they will keep, and the rest 50%, what it will happen is to give 50% of the per download they will take, and rest they will give you. You can see this 6.45 downloads. Okay, so you can see this, guys, it's absolutely free of cost. Okay, you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and you are getting paid a good amount of money from these kind of you can see these kind of websites. Okay, so you can update your details. Okay, payout details. You can see this. You can even do it. You can see this, guys, you can add the payment methods. Okay, you can directly redeem your points into PayPal account. Okay, PayPal account email ID just you need to put, and just click on this done button. Okay, so it will eventually do everything for you. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Guys, if you like these kind of videos, just need to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And guys, if you like these kind of videos of earning money, you can write down on the comment section your queries, your doubts, so that I can able to rectify your doubts, okay, with precision, with accuracy. Till then, happy earning.